class. How are you this morning? I hope you are okay, you are fine, you are awesome. Well, today we will study about Unit C, Advanced PowerPoint. Especially your learning objective today is creating a presentation using Slide and Theme, Album, Slide Master, and Notes Master. Okay, student, I want to remind you. Please please do on your exercise book page 5 and below have 5 questions and collect on Friday 22nd January 2021. Student, don't forget about it. Now I want to show you. This is the homework also. 1 until 5 have 5 questions, and the homework ones you can see on page 65. Okay, student, now we want to creating presentation using template. You can see here the step create presentation on a design template. Have 5 steps, and this is in presentation using a theme. And later we practice directly. Just now I want to show you only the step. You can read the steps. Have 5 steps here. Same. Click on new. But here install M. Under the template. Just now the first we using a template, now using theme. So the different bedanya di sini install. Okay, next photo album. You want to create your own photo album, can you PowerPoint. Then click insert illustration image album. Add drop down list. Let's see here. Later you click this. Kalau diklik ini akan muncul nanti kotak dialog ini. This is the next step. Ini masih lanjutannya. After you click file this button insert picture from. Sini nanti ada muncul insert from. Kamu bisa pilih. Kemudian have a picture in album, dan bisa kamu cari picture yang lain. And then new text box button. Ini buat text box teksnya. Layoutnya bisa juga you change, kamu gunakan yang lain, pilih. Itu ada picture layout, album layout juga. Theme-nya bisa kamu browse, kamu cari, select yang menurut kamu bagus, and then after you selected, create button to presentation. You can see here the next slide master and notes master. Ini tampilannya. Tampilan slide itu kamu bisa use slide master here, baru juga bisa note master. Okay, now we directly practice. Ini ketepatan kita belajar PowerPoint. This application is PowerPoint. You can see here the PowerPoint. It's fun. Using a create presentation using template. Now we want to make the new. Then design. We want to use the theme. The example we want to use theme. Just choose one. Example, I choose this. Click. So theme up here. You want to add the slide, you can click this, the new slide. Pas slide-nya terus. Jadi kalau in Microsoft Word, this is adalah page 1, page 2. But in Microsoft PowerPoint, ini adalah slide. Okay, and then we want to make after them, want to change background. You can also use this one. Yeah, you want to solid fill or gradient fill. Yeah, if you want to choose this picture, you can take the picture. Kamu bisa ambil picture-nya dari file kamu, ya. Or you can take from online. The example, ya, click this online. You want to picture, what picture? Okay, the example, computer. You just type computer and search. Click this one. There are so many computer head here, but you have to connection with internet. Okay, but let's choose one. The example, choose. So your background have here already. Okay, backgroundnya number 1 already. But if you want to use all background, you just click this. Kamu tinggal klik yang ini saja, maka dia akan buang backgroundnya komputer. Example, I click this one. Okay, play to off. Click this one. Look at, semuanya sudah berubah menjadi laptop. Ya, backgroundnya itu laptop. Okay, that's how to change the background. And then now we want to slideshow. Yeah, you can see here. Sorry, slide master. Slide master itu apa? Ya, what? We click this one. This normal ya, ini tampilannya normal. If we click this, normal seperti ini. You can see this. Okay, we close this first. Kita tutup dulu ini. Okay, so we click slide master. Perhatikan slide master seperti ini ya tampilannya. Ya. Nah, master. Ini masternya itu this is bigger than the other. Ya, have change ya, ada perubahan kit. Level-levelnya. Ini kalau kita menggunakan seperti ini. If we don't need, just close and click this one. And then again, not master. If we click not master, like this, dia seperti ini. You can give the header, ya, date and have footer. Ya, want to make header, you can type here. Ini untuk menyisipkan headernya, and then date if you want to make here, and have also here footer. Okay, if you want to make here not on the page, up to you. Okay, already just close master. Okay, student, it's our lesson today. How to change background. Yeah, use theme. Yeah, you can use theme or template. Yeah, that's up to you. Ya, buatlah yang menarik mungkin. Seperti background tadi, kamu bisa change ya from design and have here background, forward background. Pilihlah gambar atau background yang menarik according to you. Okay, student, I think enough for today. Keep spirit, keep healthy. Nice to see you again. See you. Bye bye.